In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Facebook Messenger to Facebook. We will walk through each tap slowly so your Messenger and Facebook use the same account. Now open the Messenger app on your phone. On Android and iPhone, the icon is a blue speech bubble with a white lightning bolt. When it opens, you should see your recent conversations or a welcome screen if you are not signed in yet. From there, tap your profile picture. You will usually find it in the top left or top right corner of the screen. When you tap it, you should move to a screen that shows your name at the top and several settings listed below. Next, check the account name. Look right at the top of this page where you see your name and your profile photo. This is the Facebook account that Messenger is currently using, even though you are inside the Messenger app. Now make sure it is the same account you use on Facebook. Think about the name and profile photo you normally see when scrolling your Facebook feed. If they match what you see here, Messenger is already connected to the correct Facebook account and you are done. If it is different, log out of Messenger. On this same profile page, scroll until you find the option to log out, then confirm when Messenger asks. Once you log out, you will return to a sign-in screen, and your chats will disappear only from this device, not from your actual Facebook account. After that, open Messenger again. Tap the same Messenger icon on your home screen or app drawer. You should now see a clean welcome screen asking you to log in or create an account instead of your conversations. On this screen, select Log in with Facebook account. This tells the app you want to use your existing Facebook details, not create anything new. After you tap it, Messenger will quickly talk to Facebook in the background and move to the next screen. A beginner tip here, this button avoids typing your password again if Facebook is already signed in on the same phone. Now choose your Facebook account. If your phone already has one or more Facebook accounts active, you will see them listed on screen. Tap the profile that matches the Facebook feed you actually use, including the right profile photo. Then tap Continue. Messenger will link itself to that Facebook account and sign you in. Within a moment, you should see your usual chats and contacts appear, now tied to the account you just chose. To finish, open Facebook and check that you are using the same account. Look at your name and profile picture in the Facebook app and confirm they match what you saw in Messenger. If they do, Messenger and Facebook are now connected to the same account on this device. You have now confirmed that Facebook Messenger and Facebook are both using the same account on your phone. If this helped you sync your messages with the right profile, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple guides like this.